Hey everyone, we're going to show you how to use our great product. If you haven't already tried it, the Bond and Flex product, you know it's available under our Restore Coat brand for automotive. So we're going to be using that right here on this golf cart seat that has some big tears, missing fabric. And I'm going to show you how to get started on the repair portion, paint over it and sand it back and make the seat look like brand new. And this old golf cart has seen its better years. First thing you're going to do is clean this old baby using one of the scrub pads. Of course, the deglosser product or the prep product that comes in Restore Coat, it has its own cleaner, all the same product, just so you know. Again, we're going to show you how to repair this big gouge in this. You're not going to believe how easily we're going to do that. And remove all these years this thing is set outdoors. Ugh. And pull that back. So that's what you're going to get when you wipe all that away. That's going to give that material the way that it can bite on to this bonding material. You're going to get an 8-ounce tub right here is what you're going to get when you purchase. You're also going to get the tools, and you're going to get a glove that I have on here. It's a large glove. You're going to get a pair of those. You're also going to get this. If you purchase the kit, you're going to get the little spreader tool. Go right into this area, smooth it on, just like I'm doing here, just like frosting a cake. That's the best way to say it. I've already trimmed away all the loose or anything that was sticking up, and get it as flat as you possibly can. It'll take time. You're going to see foam try to lift up here. We're going to dip our finger into a bowl of water, and I'm going to use my hand to smooth this out. Now, I know that sounds crazy. I'm going to lay all this down, all this material down as much as possible, so it'll take a second coat to really get that smoothed out. Let's get it hardened up right now, then we can go in there and begin to get it to lay down. Pushed it into this hole, fill it up, and do the same thing. You're going to rub it, get in there and move that product around. Now, when that hardens and dries, we'll come back and sand that out, and then we're going to paint it. And I'm going to pick our color here, probably oyster. We're going to sand it live with you, show you what that looks like, put on a second coat, just so you can see us paint it and see this whole thing come to life. And so that's how quick it is, that's how easy it is. And you'll see that probably with 2 to 3 little steps, we're going to be able to repair this golf cart seat and make it look like new. You'll be amazed when you see the paint go on this beautiful seat. And, well, hi everyone. We're here to do the painted portion of our repair on the golf cart seat. We're going to now take it to the next step and totally renew this seat cushion. I'm back here in our warehouse where we're packing today. We have full stack on shipping orders, so it might get a little noisy back here in the back. It's the most important part of our day here is trying to get orders out to you, and thank you so much for believing in our products, trying them, using them, and getting great results, and sharing that onto your own Facebook page and telling the world about these awesome products. This needs some more material. This had the foam sticking through right here, so it was pretty rough, and it was missing all the material. So I actually needed to put some more on it, but I'm going to push on this just so you can kind of see. The Restore Coat product stays soft, so it doesn't get hard and brittle. It will always stay soft and pliable, so that's how it works. So it'll fill up any hole, even this where it was missing material. And I'm going to paint that today just so you can see how this paint bonds to it and what it's going to do to this really discolored and old seat on this golf cart that's been exposed to the elements and probably been outside for a long, long time. So I hate to guess how old this golf cart is. It even has one wheel in the front, so it's really old. So here's oyster, and this is using the Syntec brush. I'm going to do a little brush and roll on here. This is really close to the color that it already was originally. I cleaned it yesterday using our deglossing prep product, and that's in Restore Coat, or it's also in almond paint, which you know is the same thing. I'm going to go right over this area that I already put the Bond and Flex on, Restore Coat compound on, and just show you what it's going to look like. Now, can you add more material to that as you go along and say, oops, I don't think it looks great? Yes, you can go back and add some more. I'm just going to put this on, and I'm going to show you how to make it look like it's not been brushed on with a brush. The main important part is you don't want it to look like somebody brushed it on. And the only thing that's going to prevent that is a couple different things. You can use this little $4 roller of ours. You can grab all these tools in the tool trio. If you're shopping with us at allinOnePaint.com or at RestoreCoat.com, either one you choose. All in One Paint's the easiest. Go there, you can get tool trio. That means you're going to get this brush. You're going to get the true applicator as well as this. So just use this to go in areas that you can't necessarily get to with the roller. This was a whole corner that was missing. You kind of still see that. And this still stays soft. So you can see that it's not going to then break and crack or lift off. This whole thing, you can get right down in there and paint this whole corner back out. You can just go right in there and just pounce all that, and that's going to make it not have brush strokes, because you don't want it to look brushed out with a brush. So we're going to try and prevent that. Even though the paint's self-leathering, you still want to give it back a little bit of the leather texture, even though it will actually have no texture. And you know what? I know sometimes you think maybe that's just the camera showing that great result, but in honesty, it doesn't even need a second coat right there, from the old dirty to the nice and new seat. Isn't that amazing? If you have questions, again, just ask them here in the timeline once this goes into a video. It doesn't matter when that is. It doesn't have to be live, but ask questions and I will jump back on here, or someone will. See you soon. Bye. Please follow us on social media. Check us out on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, as well as on Pinterest.